Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm the Managing Director of Aphex, the team behind Chemishield. Today we're going to head over to EirGen Pharma to check out to see how they've been getting on with their commercial trial.
Hi, I'm Patsy Carney, CEO of EirGen Pharma. We're in the business of the R&D and commercial supply of high-potency pharmaceutical products for global markets based here in Waterford. When Kevin and James came to talk to us first about the Chemishield project, we could see the benefits it would be because, like any pharma company, we deal with a lot of hazardous waste, and particularly from our laboratory. They presented to us a very slick solution, very innovative solution for the handling of hazardous waste coming from your laboratory. Ours is very heavily paperwork laden, so you're very dependent on the analysts in the laboratory to document properly the waste stream. In its own right, that process is quite hazardous. So having the Chemishield as a tablet-based solution so that you can actually have prompts there for the actual analysts to make sure that they're handling their waste properly, for us was a very attractive proposition. And that's why we got into a trial here on site in our QC laboratory here in the commercial centre. What the Chemishield sort of offering gives to us is from a compliance point of view, from a traceability point of view, because we have to track that waste, and from a safety point of view, because you've got the prompts that are there, which ensures that the analysts, as they're disposing of waste, that the waste is compatible. I mean, that's a key concern, that you don't cause a problem by mixing waste that's not compatible.
My name is Peter Moore. I'm the EirGen lab manager. We run a lab for high potency products where we test raw material, finished product and stability samples across a range of products within the lab. The software was very easy to use. The interface on the tablet provided by Aphex was very user-friendly, less paperwork involved, and made the process very simple. The guys at Aphex were really good, and they've been in here on a weekly basis for a weekly meeting and updates. They've had software people in to ensure that the analysts are trained appropriately on all the software that we have, and for any questions we had, they were very friendly, easy to work with, and I think we had a very good relationship over the course of the trial. Chemishield reduces the risk of accidents by having a simple system for the analysts to use, ensuring the waste stream go into the appropriate streams at all times.
The report functionality of the software is very beneficial because we can see right off the bat how much waste is being disposed, how much quantities of certain substances and solvents are being disposed of, and we can see who is disposing of it.
We're part of a wider network in terms of the Opco Health Inc. With a number of sites around the world, and following on from the trial here at EirGen, we'll certainly be speaking to the wider network in terms of its applicability within Opco Health.
So as you've seen, our commercial trial has been a roaring success. We take massive heart from that as we embark on our journey to roll out Chemishield to labs globally.